Hello students, welcome to JSM. In this video, I am going to explain structure of ice and maximum density of water. So these two are also important structural aspects of hydrogen bonding. Structural aspects of hydrogen bonding. So let us start with the structure of ice. Structure of ice. Here the strength of water molecule is 4. That means what? Water molecule is forming 4 hydrogen bonds tetrahedrally. Where? In the formation of ice. In the formation of ice. So now the structure of ice. So how water molecules are involving in the formation of ice? Let us see. Here it is the first water molecule. Okay. So this is a first lone pair. This is second lone pair, and these two are hydrogens. These two are hydrogens. So now these two hydrogens are forming hydrogen bonds with two lone pairs of other water molecule. Two lone pairs of other water molecule. So now I am writing second water molecule. So these are lone pairs. Again it is two hydrogens. So now same, these are hydrogens. Again they are involving in the formation of hydrogen bond with lone pairs of other water molecule. Lone pairs of other water molecule. So this is another water molecule. So these are two lone pairs. So now it is two hydrogens. Two hydrogens. So now in the formation of ice, see here. So now this is the empty space. This is the empty space is known as what? Cavity. Empty space is known as what? Cavity. So now this is the empty space. So now this is the empty space is known as a cavity, or it is also known as a void space. Void space. So like these are all here also same. It is what? Cavity, or this is also known as what? Void space. So now it is around this oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hydrogen bonds are there forming in tetrahedral manner. Tetrahedral manner. So now like this void or cavity, these are empty spaces are forming in the formation of ice. So now here in this empty space, so now air gets filled in this empty space, so that the density of ice is less than water, and the volume of ice is more than water. See here. So like this, in the formation of ice, it is empty space or cavity or void space is forming. So now here it is what? Air gets filled in this empty space or this void. So due to this what happening? The density of the ice is less when compared to water, and the volume of the ice is more than when compared to water. So now this is the formation of ice. So here it is 4 bonds are forming. That means what? The strength of water molecule is 4. That means 4 hydrogen bonds are forming. So now here density of water. So we know that maximum density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. 4 degrees centigrade. So how here at below 4 degrees centigrade, at below 4 degrees centigrade, if we heated water, okay, below 4 degrees centigrade, what happens? So the hydrogen bonds present between all water molecules will be broken. As a result, all water molecules are come together. As a result of this, density of water increases and volume of water decreases. So now here below 4 degrees centigrade, if water is heated, so what happening there? So volume is decreases and density increases. Density increases. Where? At below 4 degrees centigrade. Below 4 degrees centigrade. If it is above 4 degrees centigrade, above 4 degrees centigrade, if water is heated above 4 degrees centigrade, here also same, all water molecules, the hydrogen bond present between all water molecules will be broken. If it is above 4 degrees centigrade, above 4 degrees centigrade, so all water molecules are moving far away from each other, because the kinetic energy of water molecule increases, so they are moving from away from each other. So there what happening here, above 4 degrees centigrade, volume is increases and density is decreases. So where it is above 4 degrees centigrade and it is below 4 degrees centigrade. So now here a graphical representation of density of water. So maximum density of water where at 4 degrees centigrade. So a graphical representation of density of water is, for example, here it is the, so now here it is maximum density. So now where it is 4 degrees centigrade. So now in this axis we are taken density. Here it is what? Temperature. So now here it is maximum density. So now this graph showing what? At 4 degrees centigrade. So here it is what? Maximum density is there. For example, it is below 4 degrees centigrade. What happening? So we are heating water. So all hydrogen bonds are breaking. So that what happening? So they all water molecules are come together. So the volume of water is decreasing and the density of water is increasing. Volume is decreasing. Where? Below 4 degrees centigrade. If it is above 4 degrees centigrade, what happening? Above 4 degrees centigrade, same as it is. What is that? All hydrogen bonds present between water molecules will be broken. So all water molecules are moving away from each other. So there what happening? So there also volume of water, here it is, volume of water is increasing but density of water is decreasing. So where we are getting maximum density? At 4 degrees centigrade we are getting maximum density. So now these are also important aspects of, that is structural aspects of hydrogen bonding.